This is groundbreaking. Imagine you're going to convert your AutoLLM application and integrate that with Gradio. That's exactly what we're going to see today. Let's get started. Hi everyone, I'm really excited to show you how to integrate AutoLLM in Gradio in this tutorial. I've already covered the basics in the previous video. I will link that in the description below. First, conda create -n AutoLLM Python is equals 3.11 and click enter. Next, conda activate AutoLLM and click enter. Next, pip install AutoLLM and click enter. Next, to have a Gradio application, you need to install Gradio using pip and click enter. Now opening the app.py file. I've already covered this in the previous video. As a quick overview, you are importing Auto Query Engine and Simple Directory Reader. The Simple Directory Reader will read the data which is in the data folder. You can see the folder structure here. I have a file called text.txt. That's where you have the content. You can add as much content as you want in that folder, and this directory reader will be able to read all those documents. Next, the Auto Query Engine will automatically create the query engine and all the embeddings required. You are passing the documents to the query engine, and then you are able to query the query engine. Now we are going to convert this into Gradio application. To do that, first we are going to import Gradio as gr. Next, we are going to define a main function and pass the query, and the query engine response will be returned like this. Next, create a demo variable and gr.interface. The interface should have the main function running, and the inputs are text and outputs text. Next, demo.launch. That's it. Literally, we have added 3 bits of code. The first one is a main function which returns the query, and then demo gr.interface to create the interface, and it inputs the text and outputs the text, and passing the main function inside the interface. And then third, we are launching that demo. To run this code, go to a terminal and export your OpenAI API key, which you can generate from the OpenAI website, and click enter. Next, type python app.py and click enter. This should automatically start our Gradio application after embedding completes, which you can see from this. Now you have a URL to go to, which is port number 7860. I'm going to copy this URL and go to the browser. This is our Gradio application. I'm going to ask what is AutoLLM and click enter. You can see it's processing the data, and here's the response. AutoLLM is a feature-rich package that simplifies, unifies, and amplifies the process of working with large language model APIs. I'm going to ask one more question. Who is Mervyn Prayson? And click enter. Mervyn Prayson is interested in AI, DevOps, and programming. He has a YouTube channel called youtube.com/Mervyn Prayson. That's it, as simple as that. You are able to convert any AutoLLM into Gradio application and get that working. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.